open with upbeat music and a vibrant graphic of the Buy Smart logo. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the wild world of consumer products. Today, we're diving into the electrifying realm of power supplies. That's right, folks, buckle up, because we're comparing the Thermaltake Smart 700W PSU on the left and the Corsair RM750e power supply on the right. Whether you're building the ultimate gaming rig or just trying to keep your grandma's old computer from catching fire, the right power supply can make all the difference. So let's flip the switch and see which one gets our thumbs up. Spoiler alert, one runs cooler than my love life. First up, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: money. The Thermaltake Smart 700W comes in at a wallet-friendly $67. That's less than a fancy dinner for two. Reviewers praise it for its fantastic value, reliability, and ability to handle heavy gaming sessions without interruptions. On the other hand, the Corsair RM750e will set you back $99. While it's pricier, users highlight its quality and durability, stating that it's worth the investment for its performance and features. It's like choosing between a quick bite and a Michelin star meal. Next up, let's get a little modular. The Thermaltake Smart 700W is like that one friend who shows up with just the essentials for a party. No frills, no fuss. It's got the basics, but it's not winning any fashion shows. Reviewers mention its reliability and efficiency, but it lacks modularity. Now, the Corsair RM750e is fully modular. That's right, folks, you can only connect the cables you need. Reviewers love this feature as it allows for better cable management and a cleaner build. It's like a buffet where you can skip the green beans and just load up on mac and cheese. Now let's talk about noise levels. The Thermaltake features an ultra-quiet 120mm fan. You know, the kind of quiet that lets you hear your neighbor's terrible karaoke at 2 a.m. Reviewers appreciate its quiet operation during demanding tasks. But hey, at least it won't drown out your own screams. Meanwhile, the Corsair RM750e is designed to keep things quiet with its rifle-bearing fan. It's like a ninja in your PC. Powerful but stealthy. Users note that it's comparable to other fans in the build, but not completely silent, which is still a win. Next, we need to talk certifications. The Thermaltake is 80+ certified, which means it's efficient. Reviewers commend its energy efficiency, but liken it to being certified for not burning your toast. Good job, buddy! On the other hand, the Corsair RM750e is Intel ATX 3.0 certified. That's a fancy way of saying it can handle the latest tech without breaking a sweat. Users highlight its stability and performance under high demand, making it the power supply equivalent of a professional athlete. Last but not least, let's talk warranties. The Thermaltake comes with a solid 5-year warranty, enough time for you to forget about it and then suddenly remember when it's time to replace it. Reviewers feel secure with this duration. Meanwhile, Corsair offers a longer lifespan with their 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors. It's like they're saying, "We believe in you, buddy." Users appreciate this reassurance, making it the "I'll always be here for you" of power supplies. In summary, the Thermaltake Smart 700W PSU is celebrated for its affordability, reliable performance, and quiet operation, making it a great choice for budget-conscious users. Meanwhile, the Corsair RM750e is praised for its modularity, quality, and advanced certifications, appealing to those looking for top-tier performance. Both power supplies have their strengths, catering to different user needs. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for an affordable, reliable option, the Thermaltake Smart 700W PSU is your friend. But if you're ready to invest a little more for modularity, top-notch tech standards, and a silent but deadly operation, then the Corsair RM750e is calling your name. At the end of the day, whether you choose the Thermaltake or the Corsair, just remember, a good power supply is like a good friend. It should always have your back and be there when you need it most. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this comparison helpful. Until next time, keep buying smart and stay powered up. Product links are in the description.